What's going on, everybody? Thanks again for tuning in. So for today's video, I have a ton of GoPro footage from over the years, and I've been a GoPro athlete for I think 5 years now. Most of the stuff goes on my Instagram, and a lot of it actually just kind of sits on my hard drive and never really sees the light of day. So I thought, you know, I'd take a lot of the lap stuff that I have from Honda Test Track, Milestone. I used to have a private track at Milestone, and kind of take those over the years and kind of splice them together, make it look like one continuous practice session, but riding like 9 different tracks. So check it out. Let me know what you think. If you guys like this, maybe I'll try and make some more. I know I have a lot of like BMX, mountain biking, driving videos and stuff, like I said, that's really never seen, you know, the light of day, never really made it to any social media platforms because I can't add that long of a video. But with YouTube, make it a little bit longer of a video, more entertaining and all that. But anyways, enjoy guys, and I hope you guys like this. Alright, thanks again for watching. If you're new to the channel, I make these things every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I try and release them around like 1:30, 2-ish. Comment below, let me know what you guys thought about that. I thought it was a pretty cool idea, and again, like I'm kind of limited on content with not walking, but I do get to start walking in about 10 days, so I'm really excited about that. I'll try and bring you guys along and show you the whole process of, you know, starting physical therapy and whatnot, but when I can start walking, I can start driving again, so I'm thinking I'll start drifting again, which I'm really, really excited for. No high impact stuff, so training and riding's gotta wait until I'm 100% healed, but I'll try and throw in some more updates throughout the videos and keep you guys in touch. But anyways, thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later on.
Aside from my soul.